Hi there. Now the application which you're going to see is all about C coding. Nothing tough, it's all easy and simple. So let's go to the application. Here it is, and it's getting started. Yeah, so this is how the application. When I started programming, I know the concept. I understood the concept clearly and easily. But sometimes writing the syntax was tough. I forgot the syntax how to write. So this is an application where you don't have to remember the syntax. You just know how you have to code, and syntax will appear itself. This is the column where your code will appear. This is the column where all the variables which you have created, you have used will be shown as a list. Here, if you have any structure or union in your program, it will show the list of that. Here it will show the list of pointers. Here it will show the list of arrays that you have used in your code. So how it works? Basically, it is as simple as like using Paint or Microsoft Word and stuff. It's a menu thing. You have several options, include arithmetic, in out, assign, selection, loop, structure, string.h. These are three header files, and these are the list of the function which we generally use. So let us start by writing a simple program for Hello World. So for including, first of all, in a C program, we have to write the header file. You have to include a header file. So you just can go include header file, and then the name of the header file you can search the stdio. You can click, and your header file will be shown up here. Then thing comes is writing a function. So I have to define a function for. So I have to go to function and definition. So it will ask me the function name. So I give function name is main. I press enter. Now it will ask me the return type of the function, whether it's a void or an integer or a character or a float or double or any structure name or union name. It also says like if it's a pointer, then I have to add a pointer. It will tell, like it's telling you how to write the return type of the function. So I press int for generally in Dev compiler and more modern version you have to write integer main. You can't type void main. So I give int and just okay, and it's asking me for any formal parameter that I need to give into the function. So I don't have to give any, just okay, nothing. So this is my function definition starting over here, integer main and the opening braces. Now I have to print hello world. So I can go in, I have to write a message. So it's asking me the message that I have to print. So I have to write hello world. So this is it. I press OK. So this is my code for writing the printf hello world. Now what I have to do, I have to return any integer value. So again I go include function return. So it asks me the value name or variable name or the value that I have to return. So I press 0. I press enter. So return 0. Now what's left is closing the main function. So I go to function and then function and. So this is it. Like I have not declared any variables, so nothing came here. No structure, no union, nothing, no pointers, nothing here, no arrow. So these lists are empty, and this is my simple code for writing the hello world on this screen. So what is the advantage of this application? One thing, as a beginner you don't remember syntax easily, so it's a good practice that can make you remember syntax as well as how to use the coding easily. It will make the coding easy. Secondly, sometimes you don't feel to write the code, so it's a great platform that you don't have to write, you just have to click, you just have to give the names of the variables, function, return types, etc. Like you can just do it easily. Let us take any other example where I will show you like all these stuff. So suppose I have to add two numbers, so I have to include header file stdio.h, then again function definition, function name, again main. Return type is integer, nothing in the formal parameters. So okay, now I have to declare two variables. So include variable integer, so enter the variable name a, so my variable is included, and the variable 2 b. Okay, second variable name is b. Then again I have to, for storing the result, I again have to need a variable, so again of integer type. Let us give the name as result, so result as variable third. Now let us assign some value. So for that we go to assign integer. So it is asking me variable name or dereferencing pointer. So the variable name is a, and what is the value? Suppose I give 9, so this is 9, a equal to 9. Again I need to assign, or suppose I read as input the value for b, so I read integer. Now it's asking me the variable name, I give b. So this is the syntax for reading the value. Then again I need to do arithmetic operation, so I go in arithmetic, I go in addition, so I need to add a with b and store the result in result. So I press like that and it will give me the syntax for that. And then again I have to show result on the output, so again in out write integer, and then I have to give the name, what is the name of the variable which I have to display, so I give result. So this is it, and again on the last I have to return the value, return 0, and then close the main function. So this is done. This is my program for adding to number and displaying the result. So I have used three variables, int a, int b, int result. So variables with the data types are present over here, no structure, no pointer, no array, so the list are empty. So this is how it works. And for these are the function like converting a string to lowercase, converting a string to uppercase, and more are there. Copying a string, concatenating two strings, checking if a character is alphabet or in lowercase, uppercase, or to find sign, power of something, etc. The function which are already predefined. You just have to use the predefined functions. So you can just directly click on any of these, and that the syntax for that will be appeared. But you need to include these header files in your code to use these functions. So this is another simple application. As you can see, building C code is now made fun. So it's easy. It's a lot easy, I say, to build. I hope so. It will be helpful for all, for others also. Thank you.